In this video, we will show you how to use Lemfi to send money to Nigeria. If you guys want to get started with Lemfi, you can use the links down in the description. First, download the Lemfi app on your Android or iPhone device. Then, open the app and sign up for a free account. Here, complete the identity verification process to secure your account. Now, add money to your Lemfi account by topping up via your card or bank account. Here, choose the recipient in Nigeria from your contacts or enter their details manually. Lemfi support over 30 banks in Nigeria, so select the recipient's bank. You'll specify the amount you want to send. Double check the recipient information and amount to avoid any mistakes. Following that, authorize the payment using your unique PIN. Now, confirm the transaction and Lemfi will securely transfer the money to the recipient's bank account in Nigeria. Lemfi provides instant notifications to keep you updated on the status of your transfer. The transfer typically takes 3 to 5 minutes to complete. So, that's how to use Lemfi to send money to Nigeria. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Lemfi. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.